welcome back to my channel. Beautiful day out here and I'm excited because I ordered something. I looked for this on Facebook. This person has a website, so I will link the website down below for you guys to be able to check it out. I'm excited. Let me just move this. Let me open the box. I just opened it and just looked like that. Okay, so let me move this planter over here. Oh my gosh, guys, I do not have nothing like this. Sorry. This is an Astrophytum. I don't recall the name. There's a little note here. Actually, several things on my invoice. So I ordered an Astrophytum asterius. Let's see if I can show you without my address. Here it is, guys. That's what I ordered, Astrophytum asterius. And it's a 3-inch. Good price. It says, dear valued customer, thank you so much for your recent order. So they're called All About Succulents. That's allaboutsucculents.com. And let's see. I hope you have a wonderful experience. Okay, cool. So it's just thanking me. And then some care tips on how to take care of the plant from the moment you receive it. So I'll read that later because I'm excited to open this up. And I think he gave me a little gift, which is very, very nice. I'm just going to go ahead and take these out. Very nice. Okay, let's check it out, guys. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. 3 inches, and for that price, I thought it was really good. I saw people, they have different prices, so he was a really good price. Oh, okay, this is the free gift. Cool. That's the free gift. So it says Lifesaver. And then I guess that's the name right there of this one. I believe this is similar to the one that gives you the starfish looking flower. A lot of wind, guys. Sorry about that. I love it when it's windy. I know it's not good for the mic, but I do love it. Astrophytums, they come, there's many different types and they're so pretty. There it is. Look at how cute that is. Look at how cute. Super cute. Can't wait to watch this grow. And that's the name. And it's so great that he gives you the little label, so I can just go ahead and put it in the pot. I don't have to write it myself. So that's cool. And thank you for the freebie. Pretty cool to add to my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye guys, have a blessed day.